you really have to turn the wheel to go close to the apex.
It looks even higher than it looked 2 days ago. They're doing a giveaway, Nürburgring branded helmet. Ooh, exciting, exciting! Welcome back to the Nürburgring. Right now it's Friday the 15th of March, the day before the official season opener, and also the first time that we're organizing the Nordschleife Track Walk. We'll be going on the bus, stopping alongside very cool corners, important locations such as Vauxhall this year. We have a full bus, we have cool giveaways thanks to our partners such as Atomic, Lindner, Nürburgring. We will tell you more about it later on. But super excited to hit the track for the first time before actually driving it tomorrow. I don't know when this video is going to go live. The season is buzzing. Oh, look at that. There's Lucas with his 993. I drove his 996 GT3 2 years ago already by now, or a year before. It was very fun. So let's go inside to the info center. Lots of people are there already signing up, and let's go for a ride. Before we proceed, I would just like to say that on 17th and 18th of May we are organizing another Nordschleife Track Walk. So if what you're about to see in this video is going to interest you, you can join us in upcoming track walk by following the link in the video description. Alternatively, on 18th of May we're also doing helicopter rides. 139 euro per person or 499 for a full helicopter of 4, so bring your friends to have a lower price or just keep them out and have less weight in the helicopter for better lap times and maneuverability. Yeah, looking forward to seeing you then, and now enjoy the video.
Here you go.
Thank you very much for joining us on our first Nordschleife Track Walk. We appreciate your excitement, your trust. Especially you, Andy, you still need to pay, I believe. So the plan for today, as already explained in the video, so I guess majority of you know, we will be going on the bus and then proceed to the Nordschleife, and we will stop at certain locations. By certain locations, I think it's going to be cool to stop at Vauxhall because it's been renovated and everyone wants to see how the curb is. Carousel, because it's the most iconic spot where we can all have a nice group pictures, and we have maybe 1 or 2 more options to stop somewhere. So if someone has preferences, maybe we can do a quick voting. What about Hudson-Bach? No. Breitscheid? Flansgarden? Okay. The Vauxhall, Carousel and Flansgarden should be iconic and interesting enough. Aside from that, as mentioned also in the registration, we'll be having some nice giveaways from our partners for you as a thank you for your trust and excitement of joining us. We'll have one on the bus and one when we get back here, so you don't have to walk around with stuff on the track walk itself.
Let's go into the bus. We have the red bus over there with about 8,000 horsepower, I guess.
Yeah.
Here we go! Welcome on board. Now we are on the Nordschleife. Close to the curbs, this is a major braking zone for the very first Titan chicane. Whenever you have braking problems, then you can immediately check into the Dorint Hotel, maybe. The next left-hander is Sabine Schmidt's corner. Very difficult, very tightened, so you really have to turn the wheel to go close to the apex and then open your wheel to the outside, to the track-off point, and do not use the curbstones here. Stay on the black area between the 2 green areas. Here comes Schwedenkreuz. 5 kilometer sign, that's a proper turning in point. And whenever you go over this Schwedenkreuz, which is definitely super fast, take it easy. Yeah? Do not go wild on the steering wheel, do not go wild on the pedals. So that's really important, and maybe it makes sense to lose a little bit of time in Schwedenkreuz. And if you lose time there, you can better decelerate your car here for Arenberg. Now we are on the new tarmac here. I think all these curbs are a little bit higher.
It looks even higher than it looked 2 days ago. I think it grew because of all the rain.
I already said him before we went on the walk. Probably if I take this with my E30, I will go on 2 wheels and end up in the barrier over there.
If you enter here, you end up over there.
Yeah, nah, it's...
Shall we come over here when it's dark and just beat it down a little bit?
Yeah.
I know that racing drivers are sometimes a little bit strange and we want to cut everything. But to be honest, here we have a new curb and I think we cannot cut it anymore. So it looks so high. Therefore, we have new conditions. It's a new challenge now. Misha, you want to say something?
Not only the height, the narrowness as well, because we're missing a lot more stone on the left side. So you would go into the dirt, spray lots of dirt, then the car behind you is going to go over the dirt, over the curb, in the barrier. So it's not that good. I dislike.
So this will change the race line, right?
Yeah.
Probably.
I think it will change a lot of barriers on the right too.
Yes. From tomorrow on.
Yeah.
Change your line quickly, move over to the right hand side and then we go through Piff Puff. That's the unofficial name here, or Spiegelkurve. This chicane here is pretty fast, new tarmac, no problem. You miss the first curbstone, you try to go close to the second curbstone and actually you miss the third curbstone again, but not that much. Here we are at Weerseifen, and Weerseifen is the slowest corner of the Nordschleife. It's super tight here, super slow. Try to undercut here this left-hander just to get into a good position to drive out of this right-hander. And here we are at Exmühle. Exmühle is super nice corner. I really like it because whenever you go through Exmühle, you go up the hill. You have a lot of banking in the beginning of the corner, and right at the exit, the banking changed to off banking. This is our next stop. This is the famous Carousel.
Thank you very much.
And after this actually commences one of the most exciting parts, I would say, of the track, because it starts going downhill with a lot of jumps, with a lot of bumps. We're going now to Hedwigshöhe, which is named after the wife of the architect Otto Kreutz and not after the owl of Harry Potter. Don't make that mistake. And of course we're approaching now the very famous Brunchen corner. What's your favorite type of meat that you like smelling during the 24-hour race, Andy?
Currywurst. We call it Currywurst in German. Rennwurst.
Oh, Rennwurst, yeah. Because before I was driving here, I was thinking that there's old jokes when drivers were saying that they complain about the smell of meat that comes here from the barbecues during the 24-hour race. But actually it is the case. When you drive here during the 24-hour race and you're getting quite hungry, you get quite distracted because there's a lot of very tasty things coming off from the parking lot.
Here in Flansgarten, I would say turn the wheel a little bit more aggressive. A little bit more aggressive, so it's super important to turn in and to get the car into the right position here for the big jump.
One more thing, as mentioned, we have a couple of surprises for you, and one of them is by our partner Nürburgring. They're doing a giveaway which is a Nürburgring branded helmet and a t-shirt and a couple of other things. So we have all the names of you guys here, everyone who has signed up, minus me, minus Andy. Sorry Andy, you're not there. Andy, would you like to be a kind, not a kiss miss, but you can put your hand in there and put a name out. Felix Benz. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll get you the helmet once we're back. And Nürburgring will be doing actually another giveaway on their Instagram page, so give them a follow. And if you're looking... He's very happy.
Thank you.
And also if you want to rent a car for the track, if you don't have your own, you can do it through them. Use a Misha 2024 code and you'll get something special there as well. And everyone will still get something extra from us at the end of the tour. Thank you Maggie for great Tupperware. And thank you Andy for being great assistants. This is not the end, because as mentioned we still have something prepared for all of you from our lovely partners such as Atomic and Lindner and ourselves. Vulcan Alpha, the new company that I have started and will announce soon enough. Thanks a lot Andy. Thank you. Wish you a great year. A big thank you to our partners. Yeah, we have the calendars, we have Atomic hats, we have some interesting parts that we printed from Vulcan Alpha. We don't know what it is, it's just like some prints. And
anything you want.
And a car towel.
T-shirt.
Yeah, and of course also the helmet. Helmet winner, there.
Here's the helmet winner.
Yay! Yay! I want one.
Alright, so everybody's gonna get a goodie bag and a calendar. So you guys can just kind of come here and we'll give you them.
Alright. Then I would need a table or something.
Turn around. Thank you.
That's good? Alright. Hope you'll never need it.
So nice.
There you go.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my love.